Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be how I'm going to use this current blow dryer to dry my hair. So this is the Irresistible Me Black Diamond Professional Ionic Hair Dryer. It has all the qualities listed on the box. So it has two nozzles, which is one small, one big. It has a cool shot, which is basically the one on the button. And then it also has an on and off button, which increase and further increases the way it lets out the air. So if you know, like in terms of its strength, it has a lower strength and a higher strength. And then the top button is also for you to adjust the heat. This is very ergonomical. It's so small. It's just so easy to hold on to hand. Unfortunately, the only downfall is it doesn't have a dual voltage, so I don't think I can be able to travel with it. But it has the North American plug. So if you're living in Canada or US, you can easily use it. Alright, so to dry my hair right now is completely wet. I already towel dried it, but I always like to comb my hair, make sure that I part it properly. And then once I'm done parting it, I like to air dry my hair with the cool air. So right now I'm at home, so especially if I'm not going to an office in the morning or school in the morning, I like to usually use the cool air because it will give your hair the time it takes to naturally kind of dry, because cool air is kind of like a natural air versus hot air. But if I'm in a rush, I will straight away go and start drying my hair with hot air. Once I'm done air drying it, I always like to now section it away using my crocodile clips. So I like to always start from the bottom and work my way to the top. And as usual, I always make weird faces when I'm doing my hair drying or hairstyling. So yeah, taking my round brush, I'm first going to wrap the hair around the brush and then take the nozzle and then go on a medium heat and start drying my hair. And I'm going to repeat this till I get the consistency of the hair that I'm looking for. And easy as that. So my bottom is done and I'm going to now work my way on the top. So I'm going to let out a little bit of hair and then I'm going to wrap the remaining away. And same thing, I'm going to wrap that hair around the brush and I'm going to turn on my blow dryer and start blow drying my hair. I like to always make sure it's all secured. Okay. And as you can see, that red light inside, I hope you had a good peek in there. Yep, I'm going to start doing it. It doesn't take a lot, to be honest with you, like 3 or 4 swipe off with the blow dryer and it already straightens my hair. I like blow dryer versus straightener, to be honest, but like if I'm not in a crazy mood to make sure I style my hair like absolutely properly, I like blow dry because I feel like blow dry actually is less harmful to your hair versus straightener. I don't know, I feel that way. I always feel like blow dry is best. I love how the shine is there in my hair. Usually my hair is super frizzy, but I'm happy to see that this blow dryer is bringing the shine. So it's super ionic, which is basically like negative ion. So a lot of blow dryers do have that negative and positive ion, but this one has a negative ion. It's a built-in negative ion. So basically negative ion gives your hair the shine and sleekness. So yeah, when my other blow dryer actually has the positive ion, but this one doesn't, because this is supposed to be like a compact one, so it's already built in. So there you go, guys. It's so, oh my gosh, it was so easy to do. But I always like to take the frontal of my hair because I feel like it gives you volume otherwise. So I like a little bit of volume on the front, so I like to take that and then also wrap it around the brush. My hair is already super shiny. I'm surprised. It was so fast. Like honestly, it took me like 10 to 15 minutes to do this. and that's it. See how that volume came? Before there was like the volume was kind of missing. So yeah, this is how I like to blow dry my hair, guys. Let me know what you guys think in the comment. Also, this video was actually sponsored by Irresistible Me, and I'm so glad that they gave me this, because I'm gonna be honest with you guys, this blow dryer was the best one. I have always used their straighteners and blow dryers, so I'm always like in love with their product already. You can always see my hair curlers too in the other videos. I've been using their products die-heartedly, so I haven't been using any other products ever since I've been using theirs only, Irresistible Me's product. So yeah, let me know what you guys think of this, and don't forget to like, comment, and share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time on my next video. Till then, take care and stay safe.